In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $1,000 with CPA marketing, and I'm going to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to offervault.com. So basically, this is a platform that houses numerous CPA offers and CPA networks. So what you want to do once you come over to this website, you want to basically come to the network section. And once you come over here, you are going to be shown various CPA networks that you can select offers from and start promoting. I'm going to be taking this admitted affiliate as an example. So once you do that, as you can see right here, these are the list of offers that are available on this CPA network. And as you can see right here, there's a next button where you can find even more offers to promote. So I'm going to take this offer here as an example, which says TransferWise. And before you promote any offer, you want to make sure to check out the offer details. As you can see, this offer is going to pay out 50 USD for every lead. And also you want to make sure to check out the countries where this offer wants conversion from. As you can see, this offer wants conversion from over 240 countries. And if I click on this, as you can see, these are the list of the countries this offer wants conversion from, and you are going to get paid 50 USD. So once you do that, the final thing you need to check before you promote any offer is the landing page of the offer. So I'm going to click on this preview landing page. So once you click on that, as you can see, this is the landing page of this offer. This platform allows people to send money from anywhere all over the world. So the next thing you want to do, once you've checked everything about the offer, you want to click on run offer. And once you do that, they might ask you to sign up in order to have access to your affiliate link. So basically all you just need to do is to enter your basic details and you'll be able to get your affiliate link. So once you've created your account, the next thing now is to start driving traffic and start driving conversions to this offer. And to do that, I'm going to show you a free, powerful method that you can use to start getting conversion even as a beginner. So you want to come over to this website called answerthepublic.com. And basically this website allows you to find questions that people are already asking on certain keywords. And now, since we already know this offer is about helping people send money from any part of the world, and you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in a simple keyword like send money. So once you do that, you want to click on search. And as you can see right here, this keyword gets almost 15,000 searches every single month. Okay, so that tells you this is a low competition keyword that you can use to start earning money with this offer. As you can see right here, it has a green color, which tells you this keyword has a very low competition and you can start any money with this keyword as fast as possible. All right, so if I scroll down, as you can see, this is a keyword right here which says where to send money to Philippines. You can see another one, where to send money to Mexico. So now if you come over to the country section, if you scroll down, as you can see, PH, which stands for Philippines, is allowed for this offer. And also you can see MX, which stands for Mexico, is also allowed for this offer. So now the next thing you want to do is to basically go over to Google and you want to type in this string right here. So basically the reason why you want to do this is because Quora is one of the most powerful websites when it comes to questions and answer. All right, so a lot of people are already asking these questions on Quora as well. As you can see, this one which says, what is the cheapest way to send money to the Philippines? All right, you can see this question just has only 8 answers on it. So basically that tells you you have a very high chance of also ranking for this question. As you can see, this question are less than 10 answers already. So you can see this one, only 1 answer. How can I send money to the Philippines from Europe? So basically all you need to do from here is to basically copy this question. All right, so once you copy this question, as you can see, this one has only 1 answer on it. So now you want to go over to Google and you want to type in chat GPT. Okay, so once you type that, it's going to bring you to a page like this, and all you just need to do is to basically paste in that question here. So once you paste it right here, all you need to do is to click on send. As you can see, chat GTP has generated an answer in just a few seconds that you can use to answer this question on Quora. So all you just need to do is to basically copy the whole of the answer. All right, so once you grab that answer, you want to basically click on the question. So once you click on that, all you just need to do is to click on answer. And this is where you want to basically paste in the answer from chat GPT. And also before you paste the answer, you want to make sure at the top of the answer, you want to type in something simple like this. It only takes 1 click to start sending money to the Philippines today. click here to begin. So you want to highlight this and you want to click on this font icon. Then you want to click on this link button. So basically, this is where you want to paste in the link to the CPA offer. All right. So once you do this, all you just need to do is to basically click on post. All right. So as you can see right here, this post went through without any problem from Quora, as you can see right here. All right. So basically, once people come over to this page who are looking for answer to this question, once they click on this link, they'll be taken to the offer page. And once they create an account, you make $50. So basically, once you do this, you want to basically go back. All right. So once you come back to this main page, as you can see, there are so many questions here that you can basically answer. And keep in mind, you don't even need to write these answers yourself. All you just need to do is to let ChatGPT generate the answer for you. And basically, all you'll be doing is just copy and paste. So if you can answer 20 questions a day, you are going to start getting traffic to your affiliate link and you are going to start earning money. And keep in mind, this answer stays here forever. All right. So basically, you can keep making money 1 week, 2 weeks, months, even years down the line from that offer. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find some value in this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.